Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're having trouble with low-quality posts, reels, or stories on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Let's get started. First, let's open the Instagram app and head to your profile. Tap on the three lines at the top right corner to access the menu. Now select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Data Usage and Media Quality. You'll see two options here. Use less mobile data and upload highest quality. To improve upload quality, make sure to disable Use less mobile data, as this limits the data Instagram can use. Next, enable the Upload Highest Quality option. This ensures that Instagram uploads your content at the best possible resolution, though it may take a bit longer. Additionally, make sure your internet connection is stable. A poor connection can affect upload quality. If you're on Wi-Fi and it's slow, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. And that's it. These steps should help improve the quality of your Instagram uploads. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below